NFA.club is now live on the GEMS Launchpad, but before we go there, let me quickly explain to you what NFA.club is.
In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading, a new platform named NFA.club is about to make waves by combining artificial intelligence with a user-friendly, gamified experience. Positioning itself as an AI-powered crypto trading app, NFA.club offers users a unique approach to navigating the volatile crypto markets. NFA.club offers an ecosystem where users can trade, invest, and explore a variety of financial opportunities, all while the platform is being focused on delivering efficiency, speed, and cost effectiveness. NFA.club introduces a new method to crypto trading, similar to popular dating apps. Users can just swipe right to explore curated trading opportunities, aiming to simplify the decision-making process. Now, the platform provides both real and mock trading options, which allows users to engage in actual trades or practice without any financial risk. And this dual approach caters to both seasoned traders and newcomers, offering a space to learn and potentially profit, with the added benefit of the fact that you can first become familiar with the app and its concept before you spend your hard-earned cash. Now, at the basis of NFA.club's functionality is its AI-driven system, which analyzes trends from social media and news outlets to identifying promising trading opportunities. By processing vast amounts of data, the AI aims to keep users informed and ahead of market movements. And this integration of AI reflects a broader trend in the financial sector, where technology is increasingly used to enhance trading strategies. So basically how it works is that NFA aggregates and filters investment calls from top KOLs, so key opinion leaders, presenting only high potential opportunities like trading signals, staking options, airdrops, and new tokens. By ranking calls based on the success of their calls, NFA incentivizes quality insights while giving influencers a new revenue stream. They're using real-time data harvesting and backtesting, which makes it NFA ensures that every opportunity presented is supported by thorough analysis. Launching first as a Telegram mini app, NFA meets users where they already are, making it easy to access opportunities without additional tools or platforms. They also want to integrate swaps directly into Telegram, so that's huge too.
Right, so if you're excited and you want to get in, you have to go to GEMS.vip, right? There you will see NFA on the homepage and you need to click Buy Now. It will take you to a different web page where you will need to enter the access code. Now, the access code can be found in the description of this video, and it can be found in the description of the NFA.club video. Make sure to paste it here, then click continue, and you will get a terms of service. Now, I have carefully reviewed blah blah blah. I hereby confirm that I'm not a citizen of, and I agree to receive communication and marketing emails from GEMS. Now, if you're in the United States, only if you're like a licensed investor, you can participate in the sale. It's best to just contact the team for that. We're going to click all of them. We're going to scroll through here. We're going to enter in our email address, and then we're going to click continue. Follow NFA on X to stay up to date. So let's click follow NFA. It's going to take us to their Twitter. We can click follow now. I'm already following them. So, and here we can invest in this project, right? So we can buy using ETH. We will get NFA and we will see a total. Now, if you're a golden user, you will receive up to 20% discount in the first round. You can get an additional 5% discount if you use the GEMS tokens. Now, what's important to know is that you need to lock 5,555 GEMS tokens in order for you to be eligible for the 20%. And then if you purchase this allocation with GEMS tokens, so this one, that will give you an additional 5% discount. Make sure you have your wallet connected, click buy, and it's easy as that. Now, please know that I'm not a registered financial advisor, so you have to do your own research to see if this project is something that you're going to invest in. But I wanted to make it as easy as possible for you by creating this video and showing you what NFA.club is about and how you can purchase it if you're interested. Right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!